Happy blissful day, blissful beings. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabriel.
And my name is Kylie, and thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and commenting. We love interacting with you all, so please do leave a comment. And if you're interested in one-on-one coaching, you can find all of our options linked below.
Thank you. So in today's video, we want to share with you guys that manifestation is simple. It is simple, but not easy. But we want to show you how to actually make it easy, right? It does not have to be hard because you've always been manifesting. Look at all your results. Look at your health, look at your happiness, look at your relationships, look at your bank account. You've always been manifesting, right? But now the reason why you're watching this video is because you are aware that you are the creator of your reality. So in other words, you are aware that you're the operant power. So in other words, you operate how you feel, you operate how you think, you operate how everything is actually really going in your life, because if it's to be, it's up to you, because you are the god of your reality. But sometimes we can get a little bit, we tend to maybe overconsume, and overcomplicate.
Exactly, that's what I was gonna say. We just overcomplicate it. As you said, it's a very simple thing, manifestation.
It's very simple.
And yet we make all these rules because we say, surely it can't be that simple.
Yeah, exactly.
And that's why it becomes so hard, and it's no longer an easy, effortless thing.
Yes. So, quickly, just to remind you again, right? Number one, you have to be very, very clear in what it is you want. You have to be clear. So if you want perfect eyesight, you have to say, okay, I want perfect eyesight, 20/20 vision. If you want your dream partner or your ideal partner, you have to be clear, okay, I want my ideal partner, I ideally want my partner to be a vegetarian and adventurous as well. So because when you're clear, then you'll be able to express, your gratitude in your imagination very clearly. You're not going to be like, I don't know what's happening. So it's very important for you to be clear. So when you are clear that you are now desiring to manifest your ideal partner that is adventurous and a vegetarian, and then number two, you just have to now believe that your ideal partner is now in your life. Even though it doesn't show in the 3D, you have to express your gratitude that you are now with your ideal partner. So in other words, you have to replace your old story that you were thinking earlier on and yesterday to say that, oh, I'm single, woe is me, I hope one day my partner will show up. No. So you're going to unsubscribe from that old story, and you're going to replace the new story with, I'm happy and grateful now that I am in an awesome, happy, blissful relationship with my ideal partner. It's so awesome. We always cook, vegetarian meals together, and we love hiking together, and everybody just love us. Wherever we go, they always compliment us. It's so freaking amazing, and it gets better all the time.
Every time.
All the time.
Every time.
So you see the point, right? You now have to saturate your mind with that new story. Every day you have to express your gratitude that you are now in a happy, blissful relationship with your ideal partner, and it gets better every single day, even though it's not showing in your 3D, because your 3D is simply mirroring you what's happening in your mind. So when you are saturating your mind every day with a new story, your 3D will then start conforming to your mind, because you are the sign. So you don't have to look for signs. You are the sign. So if you do the inner work, you're going to start seeing the signs appear. So all you need to do, you have to remain faithful to your new story. You cannot afford to waver, because if you waver and you go back to the old story and say, well, I'm single, woe is me, everybody else is married, but I'm still single, I don't know what's happening. So now you're going back to the old story, and you are now telling yourself that you actually don't believe in this manifestation process. You're actually telling yourself that you do not trust that you're the creator of your reality. You're telling yourself that, I don't think this stuff is working. You see, it's very important for you to remain faithful. You cannot waver. You have to remain faithful every day in every way. And it will definitely show up, whether you like it or not.
Yeah, that's why we say it's a very simple process. You're clear on what you want, and you live as though you already have it. And you truly believe you already have it. That's as simple as it gets.
Yeah.
And then, as we said, we start to overcomplicate it. To say, start looking for signs like, well, he didn't text me, or well, my bank account only says this. We start to look for things in our 3D, we're wavering. Or we hear that, oh, okay, well, I have to do my affirmations 3 times a day for 10 minutes every time. If I do 8 minutes, it's not going to work. We start to add in these rules that we adopt from other people.
Yeah.
In a previous video, we mentioned that you make your own rules. Every time you take a glass of water, you take a sip, and you manifest more money. That could be your rule if you wanted to.
Exactly.
And so we overcomplicate it. We don't believe that, okay, if I'm just clear and live as though I have it, it's going to manifest. We say, no, that's too easy.
Yeah.
But really, that's how easy it is. It's our own selves that get in our way.
Exactly.
We become our own blocks. We become the thing that's making it hard. It's very easy. And once we let go of those rules that we've adopted that don't actually have to be your rules if you don't want them to. Once we let go of this overcomplication, looking for things outside of ourselves, and we just say, I want this, and I believe I have it, I'm going to live every day as if I do. That's it. That's how easy it can be.
Exactly. And that's really how easy it is, because you have to understand that you give yourself everything that you experience on a daily basis. So you are the creator of your reality. And how you give it to yourself is just by accepting that you have it now. You say that I'm so happy and grateful that I have perfect health now. I'm so happy and grateful that I am in a happy, blissful relationship now. I'm so happy and grateful that I'm wealthy now. And you remain faithful to that new story. Now, the new story is not just an affirmation where you repeat 3 times a day and you go back to your old way of life. The new story is your new normal. It's your new way of life. It's who you are. It's your new name. It's your new name. So the moment you decide perfect health now, you only have to saturate your mind with perfect health. When you wash dishes, you saturate your mind. When you're in the shower, you saturate your mind. When you're about to sleep, you saturate your mind. When you wake up, you saturate your mind until it shows up in your 3D reality. Because you have to understand your 3D is simply mirroring what's happening in your mind. So if you saturate your mind with your new story, your 3D has to reflect it. That's how I manifested my beautiful wife. Every single day I saturated my mind that I am now blissfully married. Even though she wasn't in my 3D, every single day I did it. I remained faithful. And 3.5 months later, boom, she showed up, and I knew exactly it was her. I knew exactly because I wrote down what I wanted. I knew exactly because I even told her on our second date. I say, you're my wife. I love you. And she was like, how can you say that? I said, it was on my list. It's you. You know what I mean? I told her it's you. She thought I was crazy. So what I'm saying that you just have to saturate your mind with your new story. Remain faithful. Do not waver. Do not waver. Remain faithful to your story. And how you remain faithful is by gratitude. And you will see that your 3D will show you. Stop looking for signs in your 3D. Stop looking at your phone for text message, for calls. Stop looking. You are the sign. Whatever you say is the sign. You know what I mean? You are the operant power. You're the creator of reality. You are. Yes, you are.
You are. Exactly. I am. You are.
You are. You the are. You are the I am. And that the I am is that power within us that allows your heart to beat right now. So that power within you is infinite and it's limitless. So that is your true nature. That is our true nature. That's who we really are. So don't think that you're the only one doing this. No, you have God within you. So you just have to surrender to God within you, let go, and ask God to actually sort it out for you. Stop trying to do it on your own. God is there within you. He's within you, and He's just waiting for you to say that, hey, come, let's do this together. All you need to do is just say, I'm so happy and grateful. Thank you, God, that I've now got my stuff. I know that and just surrender and allow it to, play out in an awesome, blissful way. And how you remain faithful and you surrender to God, you thank God that you have it now. You say, thank you, God, for my perfect health. Thank you, God, for my happy relationship. Thank you, God, for my wealthy, life right now. And you live as though you are now healthy, happy, and wealthy. And watch how your 3D will conform.
Yeah, and just I think a quick final note, maybe you don't relate with God. Maybe you're like, hey, that's religion.
Oops, yes.
That's not me. You can call it whatever you want. Some people say it's the universe. Sometimes people say it's a spirit. Whatever you want to label it, there is that power. Whatever name you want to give it, there's a power within you, and that's what's with you.
Exactly, indeed. Exactly. As always, thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Enjoy your blissful day. And if you do need help, we do offer one-on-one coaching as well. All the details are below. Keep smiling. Have an awesome day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you. Thank you.